people, it's back from Lincoln Park TV here. And today we're going to Monster Trucks.
Woo!
And today I'm going with half of my family. Hey Mimi, I'm doing a video.
You're gonna be on Pirate Lincoln TV.
Yay! We get to go to Monster
That's
Trucks.
Mimi, my grandma.
Hi.
So, have you seen Lewis in some of my videos, like the volcano video? Hi. And
There's
he's
Lewis.
with us too.
Stick your head out, Lewis.
He's
Oh,
just,
there he is.
he's relaxing, and we have our grandpa up in the front, and Willie, our
He's our uncle, right?
uncle.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi, Willie and Papa. I'm doing the video. So, we're going to Monster Trucks. It's pretty far away. We just stopped at Willie's work. Just get
Monster Trucks! Monster Trucks! Okay, Lincoln's gotta
So,
finish.
one of Willie's friends said the earplugs are in the bathroom. That's pretty funny.
Okay, well, should we continue from the Monster Truck Rally?
Yes.
Okay, see you guys soon, right?
No.
Oh, you got more to say?
So, we're gonna be here there in a few minutes. It is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be pretty loud. So, now we're almost there, and I'm setting up. There's a new set on his way here that's coming tomorrow.
What's that?
I'm making it.
Oh.
So there's gonna be a new Playmobil set tomorrow. I'm gonna share with you. And tomorrow's a school day because it's on Sunday today. I made this video on Sunday.
But it's the last week of school, right? And then summer vacation.
Summer vacation.
We'll catch you later with our earphones
Yep,
on.
thanks.
We guys do.
He's not done yet, so he keeps telling us he's not done.
So you have to wear earbuds and sunglasses
How come?
because it's so dirty.
Oh.
It has dirt, and when they crash into each other, they break apart, and the drivers have to rebuild them.
Oh my gosh.
That's kind of boring.
No, I think it's pretty exciting. Okay, say see you at the rally.
See, yeah, at the rally, but.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So now I have a few more things to talk about.
Oh, okay.
And well, my aunt is coming. Her name is Titi. But what's Titi's not Titi name?
It's Abigail.
Well, her not Titi name is Abigail. So, Mimi's mom.
We're not gonna tell everyone's names on YouTube though, so you know. It's just TT and Mimi.
Titi
Right.
and Mimi. And Papa and Willie. I call Willie Uncle Will.
Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the rally, right?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Adios, amigos.